Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Vito and this is our 50th video. I would like to thank you all who subscribed so far to our channel and I hope you're enjoying the content. This is a thank you back. So for the 50th video I decided to do something different besides of cooking. Today I'll be talking about products and ingredients that I use in my vegan kitchen, a bit about nutritional value and where you can get them, so you can add them to your shopping list and eventually to your kitchen shelf. So if you joined the vegan movement recently, congratulations! Don't give up on this journey as it will be full of challenges, but don't forget either that all that you love to eat can be served in a vegan way. I know that there are so many options, but I will be there to help you to get familiar with plant-based recipes and various plant-based products. Me personally, I love to spend my time in the kitchen and most of my recipes are coming from here. Even if you're not confident enough yet, don't worry, we've got plenty of quick and easy recipes on our channel. Remember, you can still have your favorite foods like pizza, pasta, burgers, you name it, just in a healthier way, and if you have any questions, let me know. Now I'm going to talk about ingredients that I use in the kitchen and you can add them to your shopping list. I just want to note that the information that I provide you, I learned from my own research of health benefits of various products and ingredients, and I will share some of the must-haves in my kitchen. Also, I have to note that I'm not a licensed health practitioner or a nutritionist. So let's start. So probably your biggest question on this vegan journey is where to source your proteins from. It's widely believed that most of the proteins are coming from meat. But this is totally different actually. All of the proteins are sourced from plants. The best sources of proteins are whole nuts and legumes. So you can get yourself walnuts, Brazil nuts, cashews, and you can also make your homemade milk. Remember, they usually contain about 20 grams of protein on 100 grams of product. Then we have legumes and the choices are wild. From various beans, peas, all the way to different colored lentils. All of them fall into the legume family and I personally love them. Lentils are also low in calories but rich in iron and folic acid. I have a lovely mixed lentil pie recipe for you that is super healthy and delicious, so go ahead and check it out. Peanut butter is my personal quick source of protein after my workouts and it has an astonishing 30 grams of protein. If you are a super busy person and you need a quick source of protein, don't forget there are plenty of plant-based protein powders and spirulina, and we will get onto this later in our video. So, besides your regular salt and pepper as spices, once you start your vegan kitchen journey, you will discover so many different flavors, and we're gonna start with an interesting one, black salt. As this salt contains sulfites, it will give you a taste and smell of eggs, so it's perfect for making your vegan mayonnaise. You can surely find this in Asian food shops or online. Maybe you noticed from my videos that I use Himalayan salt instead of table salt, and that is because it's naturally sourced. It's pink in color and I would say that it's less salty than other salts, as silly as it sounds. As it's considered as a healthier choice and it comes from a natural source, this is my option. In case you want to buy yourself some Himalayan salt, I'm sure you can find it in any store, but still it's better to buy it in bulk online for a better price. So now let's talk about sugar. Maybe you weren't aware, but most of the white cane sugar is actually not vegan. It's because it's being bleached with bone char during its process. But in the case you see on the packaging, raw, organic or unrefined, you're safe. These are vegan. I personally use light brown sugar for desserts and dark brown sugar for sauces. Also, instead of sugar, you can use fruit syrups as agave and date, and you can find these in bigger grocery stores. My personal favorite is agave syrup, and you will see me using it in lots of my recipes. The next one, chili. This is a super healthy ingredient that speeds up the metabolism and boosts up the immune system. Beside that, it can help you with losing weight and also elevates the endorphin and serotonin levels. I use chili flakes daily in almost all my meals and you can really find it in any bigger grocery store. For a smoky flavor you have two options, dried red paprika or liquid smoke. The liquid smoke will of course have a stronger smell and taste, so be gentle with the amounts that you use. While you can find dry paprika in any store, you will have to order your liquid smoke online. Even though fresh onion and garlic are preferable, for some of your vegan dishes it will be more convenient to use onion and garlic powder. That's why these two powders are essential in my kitchen, especially for making burgers and sausages. So the trick is that the powders will incorporate in the food much easier and it won't burn as easy as fresh alliums. Nutritional yeast flakes are probably the best source of B12 in a vegan diet and will also give you that cheesy flavor to your food. This natural food additive is fantastic in many ways, and beside B12 it's rich in zinc, folic acid, protein and fiber. I use it in a lot of my dishes and my favorite one is marigold. You probably won't be able to find it in regular stores, but in health stores they surely have it. Turmeric is also a spice that has many nutritional benefits. It's also known that this ingredient is full of antioxidants and is also anti-inflammatory. I usually use it just after my workouts or before sleep as turmeric milk. It's also known as golden milk. And also don't forget to add some coconut oil to your drink, as turmeric binds to fat and it will better absorb into your body. Though you can find this in most of the stores, I do buy it in bulk online. Some of the thickeners you can use are corn and tapioca starch, agar-agar, xanthan gum and flax seeds. The most common use is cornstarch for your soups and sauces, as it's easily dissolved in water. But my personal favorite are chia seeds as a thickener, as this is an ancient Aztec food that is rich in omega-3 and it is very important for any diet. As a great recipe to start off your day, make yourself some chia pudding and top it up with some fresh fruit. Most of these thickeners can be found in any grocery store. Vitagluten would be a great binder for meat substitutes. Beside that, it's packed with a staggering 80% of protein. But I have only been able to order it for now online. My favorite recipe with Vitagluten would be barbecue glazed seitan, and you can find this recipe on our channel. If you have a gluten intolerance, don't worry, there is a variety of gluten-free flours on the market, starting from rice, gram, cassava and so on. All of these flours are a great option, but do remember you will need some more thickeners and binders with it. Find them in health shops, online or bigger grocery stores. In case you haven't heard, aquafaba is a secret dessert ingredient and you can find it in a can of chickpeas. It's the liquid from the can that is a great food binder. It is used instead of egg white and is perfect to make vegan pancakes and chocolate mousse. Also, there's literally vegan egg replacer that you can find in health shops. Soy mince is a perfect replacement for mincemeat texture. Though it can be used in a variety of different dishes, I personally use it for bolognese, sausages and burgers. It can be found in Asian shops, health shops and surely online. Jackfruit is a mind-boggling fruit that comes from the south of India and Malaysia. Beside of being fruit, it's actually used as a meat replacer. The canned jackfruit is though more convenient and I personally use that. Jackfruit is a great source of vitamin C, potassium and fiber. It's really mild in taste and it's used for vegan pulled pork and vegan tuna salad. And you can find both these recipes on the channel. I have noticed that jackfruit is coming on the shelves of bigger grocery stores, but you can surely find it in health stores and you can buy it online. Dairy can easily be substituted for various plant-based milks. You can buy plant-based milk in really any grocery store, but for real health benefits, make your own. You can really make this milk from various nuts and grains. The way to do it is to soak grains or nuts overnight and then change the water in the morning, blend it, strain it and enjoy it. Though a different type of plant-based milk would be canned coconut milk, but this is usually used in desserts. It can also be a vegan cream substitute as it contains a lot of fat. It contains healthy fatty acids but also improves your cholesterol level. That encourages your body to burn fat and it provides quick energy to your body and brain. You can really find it in any store. Beside the regular oil that you use for your cooking, try to bring in a variety into your kitchen, starting from cold pressed olive and rapeseed oil all the way to toasted sesame seed oil for your wok challenges. Also, don't forget coconut oil, that is really irreplaceable in vegan desserts. It's rumored that it slows down aging and also has many nutritional benefits. And another add-on to your kitchen would be soy sauce, with a broad use from stir fries all the way to different sauces. And another great addition into your kitchen would be a food processor that gives you a chance for slicing, cutting and mixing all the ingredients together. And my favorite, a juicer. A variety of freshly juiced fruits and vegetables will give you a boost to your immune system. As it's all served in a liquid, it gives a great relief to your digestion system. Don't forget, your digestion system is full of muscles and is a brain on its own. So treat it with respect, your body will thank you. But before making the juices, I would highly recommend to soak them in some lukewarm water and baking soda to take off most of the pesticides, even if they are organic. I usually juice up after my workout and add some powdered supplements for greater health benefits. For muscle growth, I usually use pea protein that has about 80% of protein inside of it. Then spirulina powder, that is surely not very famous for its taste and smell, but has great health benefits. It's rich in plant enzymes, calcium, magnesium, iron, omega-3 and 60% of protein. And beside of that, it's a great heavy metal body cleanser. Various organic greens that are full of B12, zinc and iron. You also have matcha powder that is a superb source of iron and zinc. Buy it in bulk online or get it in health stores. Recently I'm starting my day with freshly squeezed celery juice because of its great health benefits. The global celery movement was started by Anthony William, and you can see a great podcast down in the description below with him and Jay Shetty on his herbal medicine. But beside a healthy food, I always recommend body exercises like workout, yoga, go for a run, go for a walk through nature just to train the body, and do meditation to train the mind. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to help you out. And for the end, a quote by Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Thank you and namaste.